Hi there, Sasha Lydiard here, and I got a fantastic freebie for you today. I'm going to be able to create a QR code for you in the matter of seconds. So all you need to do is click on the link in the description and it'll take you over to Messenger, and I will show you exactly how I'm going to create the code for you. So why do you need a QR code? They are so simple. They are so versatile. You can use them absolutely anywhere and drive traffic to anywhere that you want to drive traffic to. So if you want to drive it to your landing page, your website, your webinar, your Facebook group, wherever you want to drive traffic to, you can add them to your business card. You can actually have them as a business card. I was at a spa the other day and they had QR codes on little plaques on the tables around the pool. I was able to just use my phone, scan the code, and I was able to order what I wanted, and it was just been brought to me. They're just, honestly, I can't tell you how many uses you've got of using QR codes. So you want your own QR code, you want 100 QR codes. I have got just what you are looking for. So let me show you exactly what happens when you click on the link in the description. So when you click on the link, you're going to be taken to my Messenger bot. Now, if you've never interacted with my bot before, you will need to click on the Get Started button. And then you're going to be greeted by this message here. I'm going to greet you by your first name. I'm going to tell you how you can opt out if you don't want to continue with the conversation. And then you are going to scroll down and you will see a little button down here saying, yep, show me how to create my own QR code. You're going to click on that button. And then all you need to do is add the URL that you want to be directed to. So if I say I want people to go straight to my website, I will just type my website address in here. Or it could be that I've got a link to take them into my masterclass. I could put that in here as well if I wanted to. Let's just click on send. So they could a link straight into Messenger. And there you go, is my little cogs going round, working on getting it organized, getting it sorted, getting it processed. And within 7 seconds, out will pop the QR code. There you go. You can see it there. So that code, if anybody scans on that, it'll take them straight to my website. And then there'll be a message that comes up underneath that saying, if you want to create another code, just scroll back up to the top and click on the show me button again. So you would just scroll back up and then you could click on that show me button again and create another code. So that's how quick and easy it is. Now what you can do is then upload that code to, say, to Canva, add your little logo in the middle of it if you just wanted to customize your code, or you can just leave it blank as it is. It's entirely up to you. And if you are going to add your logo to it, just make it small, because all the code is on the outside, not right in the middle. So just make it small though, and then you're not going to have a problem with anybody scanning your code. And then the next thing that will pop up is a message asking you whether you'd like some my checklist to give you some great ideas on how to use QR codes, where you can use them. But these QR codes can be used for absolutely anything. Just anywhere where you can put an image, then you can use a QR code. So there you go. It'll say to you here, would you like some ideas on where you can use it? And I'm going to click on yes, I would. And then I ask whether you want me to send it via email, or you can have it delivered within the Messenger. So there you go. That's my freebie for you today. Come around and have a little play with it. Create as many QR codes as you like. Got any questions, then just add them into the comments below and I will be able to help you. Okay, there you go. Bye for now.